If you're trying to add in a follow button on your Facebook, then in this video let me quickly show you how it's done. Instead of the like, you can easily add in the follow button on your Facebook. So if you want to learn how you can do this, make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and let's get right into the video. Firstly, let's open up Facebook and then tap on the profile icon on the top left. Once you're inside the profile section, you can tap on the three dots besides edit profile. Once you tap on it, you can see a section or an option called turn on professional mode. For those of you who don't know, professional mode or digital creator mode is a mode that allows you to monetize your Facebook through your videos. So you just need to tap on turn on professional mode, and here you can see some of the details of professional mode. Tap on turn on, and there you go. Now your professional mode has been turned on. And if you tap on the three dots again, tap on view as, and as you can see, the follow button now has appeared. This is the view that other people see whenever they visit your profile. So that's how easily you can add in a follow button on your Facebook. I hope you guys found this video helpful. It was a short and easy video. And if this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.